with our rhyme activity. All right, make sure that your eyes are looking at who? You. Me, exactly. Your ears are listening to who? You. Me, good. And you're ready to learn. All right, our rhyme activity. That's not right. Are you ready? Yes. Oink, oink, said the little baby wig.
That's not right. It's pig.
It's what? Pig, not wig. That's right, they rhyme. Sebastian, can you scoot back? Gerald doesn't have a lot of room. Thank you, friend. All right, here we go. The car just beeped. You go quickly. The car just beeped its corn at us.
That's not right. It's corn.
Not corn. Good. Shut the plate so the cows don't get out. That's not right. It's gate, not plate. Good. What a mess. It's time to green up the room.
That's not right. It's clean.
Not green. Good. The dentist told me to open my south.
That's not right. It's
Not south. Good. I really love to ring that song.
That's not right. It's
Not ring. Good. All right, let's do some manipulating syllables. Put the beat in your pocket. Are you ready?
Yes.
Say afternoon.
Afternoon.
Say it again without the noon.
After.
Good. Say skyscraper.
Skyscraper.
Say it again without the sky.
Scraper.
Good. Say outstanding.
Outstanding.
Say it again without the out.
Standing.
Say whatever. Say it again without the what.
Ever.
Good. Say overlook.
Overlook.
Say it again without the look.
Over.
Say newspaper.
Newspaper.
Say it again without the news.
Paper.
Say grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
Say it again without the grass.
Hopper.
Say grandmother. Say it again without the grand.
Mother.
Good. Two more. Say waterfall.
Waterfall.
Say it again without the fall.
Water.
Good. Say blueberry.
Blueberry.
Say it again without the blue.
Berry.
Very good, friends. All right, are you ready to manipulate some phonemes? All right, today we're going to change the end. We're going to change the end. Say sun. Now, say sun, but change the un to at. Sat. Good job. Say cat. Now say cat, but change the at to up. Cup. Good. Remember, you can use your strategy. Remember, we're keeping the beginning sound the same. We're changing the rest of the word. Okay? All right, ready? Say far. Change the, now say far, but change the R to it. Fit. Good. Say lake. Now say lake, but change the ache to ought. Say mall. Now change the all to at. All right. What was your beginning sound in mall? I want you to hold it right here. Now we're changing the all in mall to an at. So what was your beginning sound? At. So what's your word? Mat. There you go. Say tub. Now say tub, but change the to ick. Tick. Good. Say fed. Now say fed, but change the ed to it. Fit. Good. Say rest. Now say rest, but change the S to I'd. Right, good. Say fall.
Ball.
Fall. Say fall, but change the all to un.
No. Fun.
Fun. Good, Eric. All right, say sun,
Sun.
but change the un to ed.
Yes.
Oh, said. Remember it was un, and we're changing it to ed, so ed, said. Good. All right, last one. Say mall. Oh, nope, sorry. Say male. Now change the L to ix. Mix. All right. Silly sentences. Repeat after me. Jasper joked. John jumped. Joanna jammed. Tell me, what did those words all have in common? What sound? J. And what letter says J? J says J. Good. All right.